Hello বন্ধুসকল AAI recruitment 2025 976 টা junior executive post ওলাইছে সো আপোনালোকে এপ্লাই কৰিব পাৰে Airport Authority of India AAI last date আছে 27 তাৰিখ 9 মাহ 2025 Airport Authority of India AAI has released an employment notification for the recruitment of 976 junior executive post in Airport Authority of India. Interested and eligible candidates may apply online here. Name of post is a junior executive. Number of post is 976. Discipline wise vacancy is architecture is 11. Engineering civil is 199. Engineering electrical is 208. Electronics is 527. Information technology is 31. Pay scale is 40,000 pra 1,40,000. Educational qualification architecture, bachelor's degree in architecture and registered with Council of Architecture. Engineering civil, bachelor degree in engineering technology in civil. Engineering electronical, bachelor's degree in engineering technology in electrical. Electronics, bachelor degree in engineering technology in electronics. Telecommunication electrical with specialization in electronics. Information technology, bachelor degree in engineering technical in computer science, computer engineering, IT electronics, or masters in computer application MCA. GATE score must be qualified in GATE exam 2023 or 2024 or 2025 for respective streams. Age limit, the candidate age shall be maximum 27 years as on 27 of September 2025. Age relaxation, category wise age relaxation is as mentioned below. OBC আৰু NCL কাৰণে 3 বছৰ, SC কাৰণে 5 বছৰ, ST কাৰণে 5 বছৰ, PWD কাৰণে 10 বছৰ. Application fees ST, SC, female apprentice কাৰণে nil. Others কাৰণে 300. PWD কাৰণে nil আছে. Payment mode online. Starting date of submission of online application 28th of August 2025. Last date আছে 27 September লৈকে. So বন্ধুসকল মই ভিডিওটোৰ ডেসক্ৰিপচনত নোটিফিকেশন দিয়া আছে আপোনালোকে চাই ল'ব পাৰে.